If you want to learn and you want to know how to change your life, come check us out. All of those out there right now, young people, I'm talking about those individuals, let's call it 18 to, 30, 25. Those individuals that have left home, maybe you're in college, maybe you just graduated, whatever, and you're struggling right now and extremely frustrated because you don't think that this economy or this country is set up for you to live just as your parents did, or as I hearing a lot out there, as the boomers did. Let me be perfectly clear with you. You are 100% right that you guys are facing entry-level jobs, entry-level pay with record high inflation that has been in double digits for months and months and months, if not a couple of years. And absolutely it is 100% a struggle for you. But let me also tell you that you've been lied to, and it's not actually in the way that you think. The reason why that you may be feeling this frustration, and why anyone feels a bit of frustration when they come across a problem, is not due to the problem itself, but the lack of a solution. We have stripped all financial literacy realization as far as what it means to, struggle a little bit and then sort of, kind of make it. This idea that you are a young person and you should arrive at this great life with, 2.5 kids and a great house and, a couple of decent cars and only have to work, 40 hours a week and everything's taken, that is a lie to you. But in addition to that, you have not been taught the very basic financial literacy or financial education tools that you could be using right now to ensure that you aren't in the same situation 4, 5, 6, 7 years ago. A lot of people are blaming the boomers right now and saying, well, they robbed the economy, they did this, all that kind of stuff. And while, yes, okay, that might be true, they also as well, when they were young, they also struggled just like you. And they did actually have less than what you have right now. We didn't have 85-inch plasma TVs. We didn't have $1,000 cell phones. We didn't have delivery. We didn't have Starbucks. We ate noodles and ketchup, noodles with Parmesan cheese. Maybe we would get a 2-for-2 Big Mac or something like that, but we struggled just the same. We worked 2 jobs, 3 jobs. We didn't necessarily have kids when we were super young. We waited until we married, till we had dual income. In a lot of cases, we lived with our parents, or we lived in the worst, shittiest apartment possible to make it work. Some of you guys that are out there right now think that you should be able to afford, a $500,000 property, a brand new Toyota Corolla. Even you're thinking to yourself like, well, that's a cheap car. But you're not driving things with 300,000 miles on it. You're not eating meals like ramen noodles that are $1 or $2 a piece because that's all you can afford. You're not working 2 or 3 jobs. So while the boomers did screw up the economy, yes, that is possibly true. They also struggled. You have to understand how money works, how you can put the money to work for you, and how just with a couple of changes in your life that you can radically change your situation so you're not exactly where you are 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now. You have a choice. You can sit and continue to be frustrated and bitch about it on Twitter and TikTok and Instagram or wherever, or you can start to make changes in your own life and not be a victim. The decision is yours. If you want to learn and you want to know how to change your life, come check us out.